Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on the option we are having available for here for rounding. So it's again the option which can only be applied on the number column. So we will be watching what all functionalities are there in this rounding functionality. So let me take up an example and show you how this rounding works. So let's get started with the video. Here for demonstration purpose I will prepare a small table in front of you guys so that we can play around with that. The data sample call, and then the values I will write it something like this, that it should be starting from 10.0, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 9, and then 10. Now you guys would have been thinking that why I have taken this example as such. I have taken this example because I want to demonstrate you that how this rounding works on all the values right from 0 to this ninth, after decimal it is 0 and then it's ninth, right? So we will be watching that how rounding works upon all these type of values. Let me click OK. It will create a table. We are having this whole column ready with in front of us. Now I will click on this transform rounding. We are having three options now: round up, round down, and then in a special round. So this round up is nothing, the value whatever it is right now. Okay, so let me click this and show you what it is doing. So what it basically doing is, whatever value it is after the decimal position in any number, it doesn't care about that. If it is having any number, if it is having any number greater than 0 after decimal position, it is just making it is adding in that particular numbers. You can see that here right now it's 11, right? You can see that it is 10 and it was 10.1 and we have applied round up, right? So that 10.1 has been converted to 11. That means it rounded up. And for similarly for 10.2 till 10.9, and again when it will come at 11, it is 11 only, because here there is no any decimal applied in here there is no any value after decimal position, right? So it is 11. So hope this you have understand, and I am just reverting it back and applying another option, that is round down. It will do nothing, but it will just keep whatever it is. Suppose after decimal position greater than 0, whatever it is, it doesn't care for that. It will round to the minimal position, minimal value of that whole decimal number. So that is for 10.1 it's becoming 10, right? And for 10.9, ideally if you are aware of rounding, it should be 11 since the value is greater than 4, right? So but here it is not that particular case applied. It is something that has lowered the value to 10. If it is 10.9 also, it doesn't care for that. For special rounding means whatever we have we are aware of from past. For that option, when we will click on this rounding, let me revert it back and then click again on round. It is asking us to specify how many decimal position you want to round off, right? So in this particular scenario, we are having the decimal position as 0. because zeroth position, on zeroth position only all the decimal it is applied over there. So we want to round up on that particular position. If we would have 10.11, 10.12, something like that, so if it would have been decimal places as 1, because you are having two numbers after decimal, so you want to round off only at the index of 1, right? So that is something what it is asking here. So I am just giving 0, clicking on OK. You can see that whatever till 5, right, 10.5 on 6th position, it is 10.5, yeah. So till 10.5 it has rounded off to 10. Greater than 5, it has just rounded up to the highest value of it, that is 11. So hope this is clear to you guys. If any confusion, let me know into the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, like to the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel for upcoming videos. I will be covering up in the next section this information functionality. Stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much guys.